Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2023 Hot Wheels. Today we have from the Sky Show series, number 5 of 5, the Cloud Cutter. And this has a plane look, and I don't mean like a plain Jane, I mean like an airplane. There you see that little logo right there, there's an airplane. This is number 162 of 250 on the air. Get a better look at this when we get it open. Sky Show! Keep your head in the clouds with a variety of unique planes. 2021 copyright. And we're looking at green with clear wheels and... could this be metal on metal? I wonder. That would be cool. I have heard of the Cloud Cutter, but I don't believe I've ever opened up one. Nope. The green on top is plastic with a metal look. And those are plastic also. This reminds me of that jet one they had, a jet car. And this is black metal on the bottom, made in Malaysia. 2 rivets, both are painted green, or are they just green plastic? 1 seat, no, 2 seats. Come on. Woo. There we go. Hope this has some good rolls to it. Is it a straight roller? It is. If I can get a good let go on it, it's straight. Seems to drift a little bit, but I think that's... Oh, there we go. Here we go. Oh, right. Try the track. Didn't think that was going to go that well. And backwards. Much better, much better. Oh, squeezing the ball frontwards. Alright, elbow backwards. Nice ride to the middle. Nice clear wheels too. Let's get a better look at those wheels. Thanks for viewing this Cloud Cutter with me. Oh, we didn't do the drifting yet, or did we? No, we didn't. Oh, come on. Not much for drifting. There we go. It's all in the push or pull. Now I can say thank you for viewing. Nice at the end there, nice bounce and roll. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. And until next time. T10 out.